Do Filipinas say I love you too quickly? Have you ever said I love you to someone and did not really mean it? Just curious, are you single or in a relationship?
Single?
She's so beautiful and I love your hair, by the way. Are you looking for like a serious relationship at the moment? Hi, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. In today's video, we are going to interview Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, do Filipinas say I love you too quickly? Well, let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. Do Filipinas say I love you too quickly?
I believe yes, because I believe Filipinos are easy to fall in love.
Easy to fall.
For me, no. Because usually nowadays, I love you is very big deal. Especially in the Philippines. Because when you say I love you, it really true. You need to have a true feelings for the person that you say it.
Do Filipinas say I love you too quickly?
Yes.
So, based on my experience po as a Filipina, hindi po ako agad-agad sumasabi ng I love you kasi mas preferred ko po na boys yung nauuna na magsabi ng I love you.
So, based on her experience, no, because for her, she preferred the boy to say the I love you first before her. Okay, that's based on your experience. But how about the other Filipinas? Like, what? Do you think
I think they say I love you quickly po, ma'am. Maybe.
It depends. For me, in my opinion, I'm not that too quickly to say I love you.
Oh, why?
Because for me, it's sorry.
It's what? It's deeper.
For me, I love you is precious word for me. So I don't say easily I love you.
So if that person deserve your I love you, then you'll say it.
Yeah. Of course, for the family always. Pero for like someone that is not really close to me.
And you don't love.
Yeah.
Do you think Filipinas really love that person when she say I love you too quickly?
Well, it's depend on the situation. There are many kinds of I love you. Sometimes we say I love you in friends, and sometimes in lovers, like that.
Oh, so it depends. I see. How about you? Have you ever said I love you to someone and did not really mean it?
I believe no. When I say I love them, it's true that I really love them.
That's beautiful. I'm just curious. Are you single?
Yeah.
How long have you been single?
5 days.
Have you ever said I love you to someone and did not really mean it?
I think yes. Before, when I was like 16 years old. Because before, we know that teenager is very playful. So that's all.
How about you, ma'am? Have you ever said I love you to someone and did not really mean it?
Sometimes because they feel that I can say that as quickly as I said na I can sincere saying that I love you.
Oh, so you said it quickly because they felt like you can say it.
Yes. Na they think that I can sincere saying I love you because I can say it as quickly as I am na. Like that.
Okay. Okay. I'm lost. Okay. So okay. How about you, Be? Have you ever said I love you before to someone and you did not really mean it?
Yes, for my friends.
May I know why? Why did you say I love you when you don't really love them?
Nothing. Just like when I see them, I say I love you. Like I am excited saying.
So the excitement. I see. Okay, so her excitement, ma'am, is it's just that they expect you to say it, right?
Yes.
Have you ever said I love you to someone and you did not mean it? Mean it?
Ay, hindi pa po.
Never.
Never.
Do you think Filipinas really love the person when they say I love you too quickly?
So, based on my experience again, nagsasabi lang po akong I love. Sometimes I said I love you, but hindi ko siya nafi-feel. Kumbaga, sometimes ginagawa ko siyang sarcastically na sinasabi na I love you, parang ganyan po. So it means hindi siya talagang galing sa puso.
Oh, so for her, no. Sometimes she said I love you to be sarcastic, right? Not to really mean it. Okay. So you ever said I love you before, right? Why be sarcastic? Like why do you say that? Why do you do that?
Kasi po one time I have a friend na um nalaman ko na binabackstab pala ako. So ay hindi ko naman siya prank. So may times na nagsasabi siyang I love you and then I respond I love you too.
Oh.
Pero so parang hindi na siya galing sa heart kasi I know the truth. Alam ko na yung tunay niyang ugali. So sarcastically na.
Okay. So you only said it one time, right? That time. So she said she just said I love you, but she did not mean it because she found out that her friend is backstabbing her, and then that friend is keep on saying I love you, so she said I love you too, but in reality she did not mean it. Do you think Filipinas really love the person when they say I love you too quickly?
I don't think so. It depends on the person. Yes.
It depends to the person.
Mhm.
Like the person that they're saying that word, I mean those words.
Yeah. If that first person has already, ano ba yan? Ayoko talaga mag-English eh.
It's okay.
May connection na, if there's already connection, yeah. They can say a lot.
So if that person in that Filipinas connection already, it's so what do you call, they love that person, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you, ma'am? Have you ever said I love you to someone and did not really mean it?
No. For me kasi, I love you is precious word talaga. And yeah.
Okay, so we're just going back from the first question.
Yeah.
So it's too precious for you, right? Okay, so you're not just gonna waste it to someone that is not worth it.
Yes.
You see. Just curious, are you single or in a relationship?
Single?
She's so beautiful, and I love your hair, by the way.
You're beautiful too.
Thank you. How long have you been single?
3 years?
3 years. Are you looking for like a serious relationship at the moment?
Not yet.
See.
I priority self-love na muna.
Are you studying?
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
Education.
So you're gonna be a teacher. Wow, that's beautiful. Well, anyway, thank you so much.
Thank you.